So the next couple classes we're going to be discussing kinematics. And kinematics is defined as how things move. And kinematics can be one-dimensional or straight line motion. It's movement in one direction. Or it can be two-dimensional, which is motion along a curved path. For this particular chapter, we're going to be discussing one-dimensional motion. And one-dimensional motion is motion, as I said, in a straight line. So you're either talking about motion that is up and down, or right to left, or north to south, or east to west. Note for one-dimensional motion that a plus or a minus sign is indicative of direction. So your positive directions would be up and right, or north and east, and your negative directions would be left and down, or west and south. Before we get into kinematics, we do need to understand the difference between a scalar and a vector. A scalar has a magnitude but no direction. So things like mass, height, time, and distance are all scalars. You're just talking about something that is just a number. So for example, I live 20 miles away. An object has a mass of 4 kilograms. Those are both magnitudes. There's no direction involved. A vector has a magnitude and a direction. So things like position, displacement, and velocity are all vectors. So an example of a vector would be something along the lines of I live 20 miles north of here. 20 would be the magnitude, north would be the direction. Or he was traveling 60 miles per hour to the east. Again, 60 is the magnitude, east would be the direction. So we're going to actually discuss vectors in greater detail in chapter 3. But for now, we just need to understand the difference between vector and scalar.